Singapore imports all of our energy and cannot be fully insulated from developments in the global energy market. Well, let me make a correction. Singapore imports our energy, a vast majority of our energy, not all of our energy. We still have some from solar. Now, the higher fuel prices feed into our electricity bills to reflect the higher costs of electricity production. As I mentioned during the COS, or the Committees of Supply debates last year, we had been enjoying artificially low electricity prices for several years because this is due to an overinvestment in capacity and fuel by the generation companies. I've also alluded to the fact that that was below the cost of generating electricity, and thus it was not sustainable. In fact, if members of the House remember, I also put up a chart that clearly demarcated and showed that the cost of generation was higher than the electricity tariff at that point in time. So an electricity price correction was therefore unavoidable. And the current global energy crunch has precipitated and exacerbated this correction. Now, again, members of this House would have asked, what help is therefore available for the affected businesses? Household and small consumers which need help with their electricity bills can apply to SP services for installment payment plans. Businesses which need financing support can also make use of ESG's programs, such as the Temporary Bridging Loan and Enterprise Financing Scheme SME Working Capital Loan. The 11,000 or so business accounts without a long-term retail contract bear the brunt of the electricity crunch. To help them weather the storm, EMA has worked with GenCos and electricity retailers to reduce the volatility and lower the cost of buying electricity through tracks. Additional monthly contracts offered by GenCos and on the wholesale market for businesses, as I had mentioned earlier. For example, Sembcorp Power Private Limited is offering 1-month fixed price plans at preferred rates to consumers with average monthly consumption of between 4 to 8 megawatt hour. EMA will continue to monitor closely market developments, including heightened geopolitical tensions and their potential impact on global energy prices, and put in place the necessary measures to secure our energy supply, enhance stability, and ensure the orderly functioning of the market.